Today, as we prepare the delightful fennel spiced Pabda fish curry, let me take you on a nostalgic journey. In the heart of Bengal, where the Ganges flows serenely and the lush green fields stretch as far as the eyes can see, life is intertwined with the rhythm of nature. It is here, in my grandma's rustic kitchen, that my love for Pabda fish curry was born. As a child, I would watch in awe as my grandmother expertly coated the fishes in turmeric powder and salt. In a sturdy iron kadhai, she would heat mustard oil until it was smoking hot, its pungent aroma filling the air. The sound of fish sizzling in the oil was music to my ears, and the sight of them turning crispy and golden brown was pure magic. In the same oil, she would add fennel seeds with slit green chilies, their fragrance mingling with the smell of fried fish. My grandmother's secret was in the paste, a blend of fennel seeds, green chilies, and ginger. She would make it fresh, pounding the ingredients with a heavy stone mortar, her hands strong yet gentle. She would add a generous amount to the pan, stirring with care. She would add a dash of turmeric powder then, and she would keep stirring until the curry changed color and bubbles began to dance on the surface. Next would be the time to add some water, and as the gravy simmered, the oil would slowly start to separate, forming little pools of flavor. Next, she would add some salt and mix it well and let the curry simmer for a few more minutes. This was the moment she would say the curry was ready to embrace the fish, a phrase that always makes me smile. The fried Pabda fishes would be gently lowered into the gravy and the pot would be covered, allowing them to cook in the aromatic broth. At this time, the entire kitchen would be enveloped in a warm, comforting scent, promising a meal that was both hearty and soulful. Finally, she had sprinkled fresh coriander leaves over the curry, their vibrant green a beautiful contrast to the rich golden gravy. The dish was ready, a true labor of love. We'd gather around the dining table, the curry served with steaming hot rice. Each bite was a taste of home, a blend of tender fish and the soothing fennel aroma. As I prepare this fennel spiced Pabda fish curry today, I am reminded of those cherished days and my grandmother's loving hands. I hope this recipe brings a piece of Bengal into your home and fills your heart with warmth and nostalgia. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming stories and delicious recipes. Happy cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with love and laughter. Until next time, take care.